Hello! Today I will show you how to control image brightness on SONY ZV-1 Mark II. To start, click on icon with ISO 6400. Here you can change the mode, but remember, higher ISO means brighter but with more noise. After you are done, click on the icon again. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.